Can a pillow help reduce snoring? Have you ever wondered if something as simple as a pillow could help with snoring? Many people experience this common issue, and it can disrupt sleep for both the snorer and their partner. Snoring happens when air flows through the throat and causes the tissues to vibrate. One way to tackle this problem is by using a specially designed pillow. The way you sleep can greatly impact snoring. Poor sleeping posture can block the airways, often due to gravity pulling the jaw and tongue back. This narrowing of the airway can lead to snoring. A pillow that supports your head and neck properly can help keep those airways open, potentially reducing snoring. Pillows designed to help with snoring often have a unique shape or are made from specific materials like memory foam or latex. These features assist in maintaining proper head and neck alignment, which is essential for keeping airways clear during sleep. For instance, Wedge pillows can elevate the upper body, which can also help reduce airway obstruction. Using a comfortable pillow is a key part of sleep wellness and good sleep hygiene. A pillow that supports proper posture not only helps with snoring but can also improve your overall sleep quality. When your head and neck are aligned correctly, it prevents the collapse of air passages, a common cause of snoring. There are several types of pillows that can help. Contoured pillows are designed to support the natural curve of your neck, keeping airways open. Wedge pillows can be particularly beneficial for back sleepers, as they position the body in a way that reduces pressure on the airways. Additionally, pillows made from memory foam or latex offer customized support and help maintain alignment. While pillows alone may not completely stop snoring, they can be an effective part of a strategy to reduce it. By improving your sleeping posture and keeping airways open, the right pillow can contribute to better sleep quality. As part of a pre-sleep routine focused on sleep wellness, selecting the right pillow is a simple yet impactful step toward a healthier sleep environment.